fixHomz, make home services easy. Each home warranty covers mechanical or electrical failures of listed products, as detailed in your coverage summary email. Plans include a service wait period and a deductible, both defined in the coverage summary. Plans expire at the end of the purchase term, with some renewable options. Each plan has a limit of liability at the product and contract level. For example, the overall plan may have a $5,000 limit, with the HVAC unit limited to $1,500 in total claims. Repairs are warrantied for 90 days. Generally, plans cover parts and labor for repairs or replacement costs if the product cannot be repaired, up to the liability limit. Plans don't generally cover manufacturer's responsibilities, non-residential installations like multifamily homes, RVs or watercraft, products not installed or used per manufacturer's recommendations, failures due to improper maintenance, misuse, or non-residential use, cosmetic damage that doesn't affect the operation, or willful damage. Plans are cancelable where required by state law. Fees apply in some states. Plans may be transferable. Full details for covered and non-covered failures can be found in your terms and conditions. For repair assistance, call us at 833-FIXHOMZ or go to customer.serviceavenger.com to file a claim online. fixHomz is here to make home services easy. Don't worry about home repairs. We got you.